During our free initial consultation, many prospective clients will ask me, Mike, what will you or your lawyers do differently than another law firm? Why should I hire your firm as opposed to another law firm? Well, first of all, we have several former prosecutors, criminal prosecutors and drug prosecutors who work at our firm. I, myself, am a former criminal prosecutor. So I have the mindset of the prosecutor in the sense that I can put my mind into the strategy that they're thinking. And that's a very helpful asset. We put the client first. The client's needs, the client's goals are number one in our mind. That's client-centric approach to our firm. We have constant communication with our clients as well. And hard work is number one, like skills and experience, which we have. We've got 30 years I've been at this business. That only takes you so far. You can't just rely on skills and experience. It's hard work, it's preparation, it's detail. And let me give you an example from myself and other lawyers. And I'll compare ourselves to other law firms in this regard. When we get a client ready to testify, say in a domestic assault, sexual assault, a DUI case, we spend hours with that client, mock questioning in chief, examining chief, mock cross-examination, correcting them, using their personality and their version, but we show them how to testify properly, because that's an art form. People just don't get up in the witness stand and say, whether they're truthful, whether they're lying, or somewhere in between, and sound good. It requires preparation by the lawyer, and this is what our law firm does. Fees, I can tell you this, obviously we're in business and we're here to make money, but fees are probably the last thing on my mind when I'm doing a criminal case. If you do good work with hard preparation, you have a client-centric approach, you're here to win cases as hard as you can for a client and negotiate the best possible result, the fees follow and the reputation follows. That's what we will do differently than other criminal law firms, and that's why you should hire Kruse Law Firm.